Do you ever feel like no matter how many creams or ointments you use, your eczema just keeps coming back? What if the real problem isn't on your skin, but deep inside your gut? Today, we'll uncover the gut-skin connection and how an unhealthy digestive system could be the hidden trigger behind your eczema flare-ups. Eczema isn't just a skin problem. It's an inflammatory condition, a signal from your immune system that something is out of balance. And surprisingly, that imbalance often starts in your digestive tract. Studies show that up to 70% of your immune system lives inside your gut. So, when your gut health is disrupted, your immune system can become confused, leading to inflammation that shows up on your skin. Think of your gut and your skin as two ends of a communication highway. When your gut bacteria are healthy, they send peace signals throughout your body, keeping inflammation low. But when bad bacteria take over, a condition called gut dysbiosis, they send distress signals. These signals trigger your immune system to overreact, releasing inflammatory chemicals that can worsen eczema, acne, and even psoriasis. Ever heard of leaky gut? It's when the lining of your intestines becomes more permeable than it should be, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these as invaders and starts attacking, creating widespread inflammation. This inflammation doesn't just stay in your stomach. It can show up on your skin as itchiness, redness, and eczema flare-ups. In fact, researchers have found that people with eczema often show signs of intestinal barrier damage, meaning their gut lining isn't as strong as it should be. If your gut plays such a big role, then your diet becomes your first line of defense. Sugar, processed foods, alcohol, and dairy are known to disturb the gut microbiome. On the other hand, foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and omega-3 fats help restore gut balance and reduce skin inflammation. Think yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, chia seeds, and green vegetables. Your skin may thank you for what you feed your gut. So if you're struggling with eczema, maybe it's time to stop thinking only about topical creams and start focusing on your gut health. Simple changes like adding probiotics, eating more prebiotic fiber, and avoiding processed sugar could be the missing link your skin has been waiting for. Remember, a healthy gut often means healthy skin. Have you noticed your skin flares up after certain foods or when your digestion feels off? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else heal too. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more science-backed videos on nutrition and skin health. Only here on NutriFacts with Simone.